Hey guys, welcome to another video of Tech Chatter. So today in this video I am gonna demonstrate you how you can remove virus without using any antivirus. So let's get started. So moving into my PC, open the Google Chrome and move towards the top right corner and open the menu button. In menu, head towards the settings. In settings, scroll down to the end and open the advanced settings. Again scroll down to the end and open reset and cleanup. Click on cleanup computer. So in this you will find an option named find and remove harmful softwares. So smash that find button. In this way Google Chrome will check every software installed in your PC and remove if any software is harmful. This process will take some time according to performance of your PC. So yes guys, Google Chrome have checked my every software. There is no harmful software installed. So this is a very efficient way to check for viruses without using any antivirus software. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.